Let's talk about the humble cucumber, a crisp, cool staple you see in salads, sandwiches, and pickles. It's the ingredient that quietly elevates your lunch, adding a refreshing crunch to every bite. But while it might seem simple, the story behind each cucumber is anything but ordinary. Have you ever stopped to wonder how this green marvel gets from the field to your plate? The journey is far more complex than most people realize, involving a blend of tradition, technology, and teamwork. In the US alone, over 1.4 billion pounds are harvested every year. That's enough cucumbers to circle the globe if you line them up end to end. These fields stretch for miles, tended by dedicated farmers who rise before dawn to ensure the crop thrives. This isn't just a backyard crop, it's a massive industry, providing jobs for thousands and fueling a complex supply chain. From rural communities to bustling cities, cucumbers connect people across the country. From tractor drivers steering through muddy fields to skilled workers sorting and packing in busy factories, countless hands are involved in this journey. Each role is vital, and every person plays a part in bringing cucumbers to your table. The cucumber's path from seed to kitchen is a story of modern farming, logistics, and hard work. It starts with a tiny seed, carefully planted and nurtured through weeks of growth, facing unpredictable weather and pests along the way. Each cucumber needs just the right care, water, sun, and timing to make it to harvest. Farmers monitor soil moisture, adjust irrigation, and check for ripeness, ensuring every cucumber is picked at its peak. Then, they're picked by hand or machine, cleaned, sorted, and shipped across the country, all while staying fresh and crisp. The process is fast-paced and precise, designed to preserve that signature crunch. It's a logistical ballet performed daily by unsung heroes, drivers, packers, and quality inspectors, each ensuring that cucumbers arrive in perfect condition, ready for your next meal. So next time you toss cucumber slices in your water, layer them on a sandwich, or grab a pickle from the jar, remember, this simple pleasure is the result of a fascinating, demanding process that spans farms, factories, and highways. Over the next few scenes, we'll pull back the curtain on cucumber farming from field to factory. You'll see the dedication, innovation, and teamwork that make this everyday vegetable possible. It's a dirty job, but the result is delicious. The next time you enjoy that cool, crisp bite, you'll know the story behind the unsung hero of the salad bowl. Have you ever wondered where all these crisp green cucumbers in your salads and sandwiches actually come from? The journey of a cucumber from farm to table is more fascinating than you might think. While cucumbers are grown in fields across the United States, two states truly stand out as the undisputed leaders of the industry: Michigan and Florida. These states have become synonymous with cucumber production, thanks to their unique climates and dedicated farming communities. Together, Michigan and Florida are responsible for producing over 63% of America's commercial cucumbers. That means nearly 2 out of every 3 cucumbers you see in the grocery store likely started their journey in one of these two states. Michigan's cool, temperate climate and rich, fertile soil create the perfect environment for growing pickling cucumbers, which are transformed into the tangy pickles we love. Meanwhile, Florida's long, sunny growing season allows farmers to cultivate the crisp, slicing cucumbers that fill produce aisles year-round. In both states, generations of farm families have passed down their knowledge, building up the expertise and infrastructure needed to maximize yields and maintain high quality. Their dedication is evident in every harvest. Specialized processing plants, efficient distribution networks, and a skilled workforce all play a role in making Michigan and Florida true cucumber powerhouses. From the moment cucumbers are picked, a well-oiled system ensures they reach markets fresh and fast. Of course, other states like North Carolina, Texas, and Ohio also contribute to the nation's cucumber supply, each adding their own regional flavor and expertise. But it's Michigan and Florida that set the pace and standards for the rest. The ongoing success of these states is a testament to the power of agricultural specialization, focusing on what you do best in the places where you can do it best. It's a story of innovation, tradition, and hard work. It all begins in the soil of these key states, where careful preparation and stewardship lay the foundation for billions of cucumbers to grow each year, feeding families across the country. So next time you bite into a crunchy cucumber, remember the heartland and sunshine states that make it all possible. These are the true cucumber capitals of America. Every cucumber's journey starts with a tiny seed, but getting it to sprout takes careful preparation. Farmers till the soil, add nutrients, and sometimes pre-soak seeds to ensure a strong start. Precision planters place seeds in neat rows, and in large operations, support systems are set up for the vines to climb. Vertical growth improves airflow, reduces disease, and makes harvesting easier. Within a week, seedlings emerge, and soon the field transforms into a dense jungle of vines. As the plants grow, they send out tendrils, climbing their supports and racing toward harvest. The farmer's job shifts from planting to nurturing these fast-growing plants. It's a rapid transformation, one that requires constant attention and expertise. From seed to vine, every step is crucial for a successful crop. The race to harvest is on. Cucumbers are over 95% water, so irrigation is critical. Farmers provide 25 inches of water per season, using drip systems on small farms and massive sprinklers on large ones. Efficient watering is key to producing crisp, juicy cucumbers. About a month after planting, the plants flower, male and female blooms, with bees playing a vital role in pollination. Many farmers bring in commercial beehives to ensure high pollination rates. Once pollinated, the tiny cucumbers at the base of female flowers grow rapidly. The field shifts into full production mode, turning water and sunlight into crunchy green vegetables. Without proper irrigation and pollination, yields suffer. It's a delicate balance of science and nature. Every drop and every bee counts. The result, fields bursting with cucumbers ready for harvest. After 50-70 days, it's harvest time. Timing is everything. Too late, and cucumbers turn bitter. Too early, and yields drop. On small farms, harvesting is done by hand, gentle, selective, and focused on quality. Skilled crews can pick up to 200 pounds per crop this way. But for massive fields, machines take over. Mechanical harvesters lift vines, strip cucumbers, and sort them on the go. These machines can process hundreds of pounds per hour, clearing acres in record time. The yields are staggering, up to 17 tons per acre. It's a loud, intense job, but essential for meeting demand. The contrast between hand-picking and machines shows the two sides of modern agriculture: precision and efficiency. Both methods have their place in getting cucumbers from field to table. The harvest is a race against time and nature. Once cucumbers are harvested from the fields, the clock starts ticking. To preserve their crispness and vibrant color, they must be cooled and cleaned almost immediately. This rapid cooling process helps remove field heat and slows down the natural ripening, ensuring the cucumbers stay fresh for as long as possible. Workers move quickly, packing the cucumbers into boxes or onto conveyor belts. Every minute counts, as delays can lead to loss of quality and crunch. At high-tech processing facilities, cucumbers are thoroughly washed and dried by specialized machines. This step removes any lingering dirt, bacteria, or pesticides from the surface, making them safe and appealing for consumers. Next, automated systems scan each cucumber, sorting them by size with impressive speed and accuracy. Advanced machine vision technology also checks for shape and quality, ensuring only the best cucumbers continue down the line. Only those that meet strict standards make it to the packaging line, where they're carefully boxed or prepared for further protection. Some are wrapped in moisture-locking materials or plastic film to help retain their natural water content and prevent shriveling. Many cucumbers also receive a thin, food-safe wax coating, which acts as a barrier to moisture loss and extends their shelf life even further. Others are sealed in plastic wrap, another method to keep them fresh and crisp during their journey. Once packed, cucumbers are loaded into refrigerated trucks where temperatures are carefully maintained between 50 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit to slow ripening and prevent spoilage. This cold chain system is crucial, ensuring cucumbers remain fresh and crunchy from the moment they leave the farm until they reach your local store. Every step, from field to packaging to transport, is designed to preserve that signature crunch and flavor you expect. The journey from field to supermarket is a race against time, with logistics teams working around the clock to deliver produce at peak freshness. Thanks to modern technology and efficient supply chains, you can enjoy cucumbers that are almost as fresh as the day they were picked, no matter where you live. It's a complex, behind-the-scenes process that most shoppers never see, involving countless hands and machines working in harmony. But it's this careful journey that keeps your produce aisle stocked with crisp, delicious cucumbers all year round, ready for your next salad or snack. Not all cucumbers are destined for salads. Many are grown just for pickling. After harvest, pickling cucumbers are washed and sorted for quality. Only the best move onto the pickling plant, where the air is thick with vinegar and spices. The heart of pickling is the brine, a mix of water, salt, vinegar, and secret spices. Cucumbers soak in giant vats for weeks, transforming through fermentation. Beneficial bacteria create lactic acid, giving pickles their tang and preserving them naturally. Factories handle cucumbers gently, even using elevators to prevent bruising. The result, a crunchy, tangy snack beloved for generations. Pickling is both science and tradition, turning a simple vegetable into a classic treat. After weeks in brine, cucumbers become pickles, ready for slicing, spearing, or dicing. Automated machines cut and sort pickles for uniformity. Jars are filled tightly but carefully, then topped with fresh brine. An automated nozzle ensures every pickle is submerged, crucial for preservation. Lids are sealed and jars are pasteurized, heated to kill bacteria and create a vacuum seal. This process locks in flavor and extends shelf life. After cooling, jars are labeled and packed for shipping. Automation has revolutionized this process, making it fast and efficient. From brine to jar, every step is about quality and safety. The journey ends with pickles ready for your pantry. After all that work, what do cucumbers and pickles offer us? Fresh cucumbers are hydrating, low in calories, and high in fiber and vitamin K, great for digestion and bone health. Pickles, thanks to fermentation, are rich in probiotics for gut health and may help regulate blood sugar. Both are simple, affordable ways to boost your diet. Whether you love them fresh or pickled, you're making a healthy choice. Next time you enjoy a crunchy bite, remember the journey from field to table. It's a story of hard work, innovation, and nutrition, and it all ends with a satisfying crunch.